Hey guys, time for my garden update. This is Kathy with Kincaid Special Creations. See, my tomatoes are coming back from the deer attack. I don't know if I'll get any tomatoes off of it or not, but it's giving a try. There is one tomato on my big boy, but they're coming back as well, so we'll see. Look at my peppers, how good they're doing. They're bound and determined to come back if I can keep that dang deer off of them. Here are the other ones. Still no peppers, but look, look, look. Look at my beautiful marigolds though. These are the ones that we planted and the ones that come back up and reseeded themselves. We have the pond with our fishies. I don't know where they're at in there. They're in there somewhere. They like hiding behind those little weeds right there. We have our spearmint. And I still don't know what that is, but it's growing good. We have our rosemary. Basil's looking really good. The lavender is coming out. Look at that. Look how nice the lavender's doing. And that was Dollar Tree lavender seeds. The Tractor Supply lavender seeds never did come up, ever. Here is some lemon balm, and the spearmint never did come up. That is also a Tractor Supply seed. It never came up either. Now this is the saddest part of the garden. I do have a few tomatoes left on there. I don't know if you can see it or not. Right there. But for the most part, all the ones that was down here, you remember I had almost 200 or 100 tomatoes, little tomatoes coming up. They're all gone, but they're growing taller and they're growing new ones, so whatever it was that got them on the downhill spot just come in and made short work of them. I don't know what it was. So that's a sad face. Here's my one and only little 3 carrots that's trying to make it. There's our potatoes. They're just about ready for us to dump them out and see if we get any potatoes. So that's pretty cool. My onion bed's taken over in weeds. I think come out here. Something has also ate all of my lettuce. I don't know, guys. I don't know what it is. They've even gotten some of these tomatoes, but we do have a few of them left on the vine. And some new flowers coming out. So I may get 10 tomatoes off of this bush. I may not. We'll have to wait and see. But we do have tomatoes. They are doing good, especially with all the water that we've had. These are my cucumber area. I do have a cucumber building big long, 2 of them. Right there's another one that is almost ready to pick. Here's another one. There's one. So they are doing good if I can keep everything out of them. Oops, sorry. There's that one. There's that one. So they're doing good. These are a different brand of cucumber. I guess I've got all them so far. There's not any new ones coming out. I was able to, let me squish you back down again. I was able to get a zucchini off my zucchini plants the other day. But the plants are still doing really good. I got a couple of zucchini down in there that's getting ready to come out. There's another squash. It's not quite ready yet, but it's getting there. Woo, look, we got another one coming on. Let's see. Let me get you around this way. There we go. So we might get 5 or 6 squash. Look at these cucumbers, guys. These are the ones that I planted the seeds on. And if you remember, they were so small. Look how big they are now. And they're starting to produce some cucumbers, so we might get some out of them. Here is our... man. Here is our cantaloupes. But look, guys. Timmy's coleus come back and ate some more of it. This time it got the red one. That one's almost completely gone, and that one is. All we can do is hope that they come back out. Look. Look, 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 look. One, I got a bee. So my pollinators are in. But look, I got a baby watermelon on this side. Yay. So the bees are doing their thing. Pollinating my watermelon. Look, we got one right there and 2 right there. So we're getting some stuff out of this garden. If I could just keep the deer out of it, I might be able to salvage something. But it's a beautiful area for it. We're just going to have to figure out some way of putting in some kind of an electric fence, maybe, that I turn off when I come out to check it, but leave it on the other times, you know, because you can turn an electric fence on or off. So we may have to do something like that. Let me turn you back around. Here is my apple tree. It is trying its level best to make it. It gets little leaves out on it, and the deer come back and I don't guess it really matters what kind of food that you have in your freezer. It can be deer meat or it can be vegetables. We're going to see. We still have this little Honeycrisp that's trying to come out with some new leaves. Got the top of it broke off. But we'll see. Timmy just mowed this grass last week. It's going to have to be mowed again. Here is our boxwoods. They're all still doing good. So some things are doing good. Some things they leave alone. Like they haven't bothered this set of succulents. I supposed to have flowers on them. I ain't seen the first flower come on them yet. And last but not least, we have our hostas coming back. Our daily lilies are dying out, but they're supposed to come back next year. And the lavender's doing good. So that's about all you're going to get out of this week's garden video, because I am not sure what the issue is. One, I'm not outside very often, which I guess if I put my scent out here more often, they wouldn't come around, which is something I'll look into as time goes on. We may need to buy and plant more deer repellent plants, if they make such a thing. If you know that they do, put it in the comment section so I can check it out. But that's the breaks of living in, let's show you, the area that I live in. There's woods everywhere. So when you have woods, you have deer. The only way to have a really good garden, I think, is if you completely fence it in and then put an electric fence on the top of it. So next year when we get ready to put in a garden, we may very well put in a electric fence. We'll see. Alright guys, that ends it up for this week's video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope that you can say a little prayer that we can keep the deer off of what's trying to grow, so I can at least get a little bit. We'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.